Stanley wet-dry vacuums are great for small messes, but they're built to take on the bigger messes too, making it perfect for picking up pet hair, drywall dust, debris, and more. That's not even the half of it. Remove the blue cloth filter and/or dust bag, attach the foam filter, and you're ready to pick up all those spills that would normally take up an entire roll of paper towels. Don't cry over spilled milk. Clean it up quick with a Stanley wet-dry vacuum. Many Stanley wet-dry vacuums feature a high-performance blower port, perfect for blowing leaves off the patio. You can even use the inflator kit to turn your vacuum into a custom tool for quickly inflating your air mattress. What about cold ash cleanup? Well, the Stanley Ash Vac is just the tool you need to clean out your fireplace, grill, and bonfire.
Innovation. That's what makes Vacmaster different. From the beginning, we questioned everything about what superior performance meant in a wet-dry vac. And we found that what both pros and homeowners really want is faster, cleaner, easier, quieter. Simply put, mastery over any mess, big or small. So where others chose to settle, Vacmaster chose to reinvent the wet-dry vac category to build something better. We built in unrivaled airflow technology, re-engineered for more suction and speed, redesigned every detail for more convenient use. Because true mastery is many things in harmony, and that's where Vacmaster excels. The result isn't just another wet-dry vac, it's unprecedented suction power and performance. It's award-winning, industry-leading, and no one else can offer what Vacmaster pioneered. Innovative solutions to master any mess.
Hi, I'm Mike, and this beauty is the Workshop stainless steel 16-gallon wet-dry vac. You're a handsome devil, aren't you? Oh, wait, that's me. Not only does this vacuum sport a professional appearance, but it has the power and capacity to take on the toughest jobs. 266 max air watts and a 6.5 peak horsepower motor can pick up a gallon of water a second. Really? Really. The 7-foot hose has dual flex technology, resists collapsing, and adds 180-degree flexibility at both hose ends. Oh, did I forget to mention? The hose has a 2.5-inch diameter, which makes it 350% larger than some competitors, like this fella. Aw, that's embarrassing. But not only does it easily lock into place when vacuuming, but attach it to the blowing port, and it transitions from a vacuum into a blower. The extended handle with the bag helps keep accessories within reach, but it also works with the large rear wheels to maneuver over thresholds and stairs easier. And let's face it, we all love it when the job's easier. The large carry handle doubles as a cord wrap for the 20-foot power cord. You'll never have to search for the power switch. It's right up front. The lid quickly detaches from the drum. To change the quick lock filter that easily snaps on and off without tools. And included is a fine dust filter that traps debris like drywall dust or baby powder or cookie crumbs to hide the evidence. And just like with every workshop product, the motor is among the longest lasting in the industry. That's why we constantly back our products up with the Workshop 5-year limited warranty and best customer service in business. Suck it up, get it done. Workshop.